Hi everyone! Welcome to Make It in Minutes Monday. This is Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else. I am one half of our team and we are going to be making this adorable card right here. We're using the Friendship Royalty stamp set and I think it is just perfect either for one of your girlfriends, a mother's birthday, anybody that's female, loves crowns, anyone. This is perfect stamp set for them. We're going to be using the Countryside Blossoms embossing folder, and then we also use the Scallop Contours. This isn't a favorite of mine. It's got some perfect feminine cutouts here that you can use. So we're going to get started. Okay, we are going to start off with some pieces here. This is 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. This is Melon Mambo for our card base. And I went ahead and die cut some pieces here. So this is going to be the embossed piece that's going to be on the front of the card. And we're also going to do some heat embossing on here. And then we also use this die from the Scalloped Contours die as well. We're going to put this on the inside. So I thought we would just follow the theme to the inside of the card. So we're going to give our card base a good score here. And we're going to just add some glue onto the back side of this. Now you can always stamp your sentiment on it if you would like beforehand and then glue it, but I like to write big, so I tend to use mine, leave them blank, I should say. So we're going to put that on the inside. Next we're going to do our embossing folder. And then we're going to take our piece here, it's the Melon Mambo, and we're going to do a little bit of heat embossing. I got to get my embossing buddy here. And we're just going to wipe over here gently so that we're getting rid of some of that static and any fingerprints that may have been left behind. And then we're going to come in with our Versamark. The Versamark is just a clear watermark stamp pad that we're using. And we're just going to pounce on the top of our crown. This is the largest crown. Next, we're going to bring in our white embossing powder, and they usually come in little round containers, but I like to put mine in these plastic containers, and then it gives me a little bit more room to play with the powder. Next, we're going to bring in our heating tool. Now, Stampin' Up! Does offer these as well. You can find them in the catalog. I've had mine for quite a few years, but we're going to turn this on. And this is the part that I love. This is what turned me on to Stampin' Up! I was so impressed with the embossing. All right, perfect. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that pretty? I think that is adorable. Okay, so moving on, we're going to bring our card base back in here. Again, this is what we put on the inside, like that, the outside. Now we're going to put dimensionals on the back of this piece. I love dimensionals. Make sure that's cool. Okay, we're going to lay this right in the middle on the front of our card. We also are using our the white glitter organdy ribbon. It's online only, and I did check before we went live. It is still out there. It's available for purchase. It's $8.50. I love this. I love this, love this, love this ribbon. Okay, now we're going to bring in our scrap piece of white paper, and then we're going to stamp "To the Birthday Queen." Next, we're going to fussy cut this out. Now, fussy cutting is just a fancy word of just cutting around the words. Next, we're going to just put a couple dimensionals on the back of it. I think I put 3 on my original one. So next I'm going to bring in our bow maker, Breezy Bows by Vicki Spicer. There's her contact information. And we're just going to make a quick bow. And last but not least, we need some glue dots. And then we're going to add some iridescent pearls. These are so pretty and they went really, really well with this card. All right, and there we have it, guys. What do you think? I really hope you like it. Here's our first one. And there's our second one. I think it turned out absolutely adorable. I love this for the inside. It just adds another little feminine touch to the inside of the card. So we really hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to give this a thumbs up and hit that notification bell to notify you of when we post new videos. And also in the description below, you will find the measurements to make this card. So we hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Bye.